What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this episode of Fishing with Nick. And in this episode, we're going to be fishing this creek behind me, but not from shore, from my kayak here. I know you guys haven't seen this kayak, but this is my new to me lifetime kayak. I bought it off a guy. I'm pretty sure I stole it off him because I got this for an amazing deal. But today we're going to get it out on this river and try to get some smallmouth, maybe a little bit of rock bass action. We're just going to see what happens. I've got several rods rigged up. Hopefully we can get into some multi-species kind of stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and throw you guys on the GoPro and let's go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're on the water-ish. It's really shallow here, so there might be some walking involved in today's mission, but it's all a great adventure. So. Alright, let's get a rod out. Get going here. Throw a little white jig there. It's a curly tail. Just picked up this rod yesterday, so haven't even tested it out yet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to step out of the boat here for a second. Definitely ought to do my due diligence and talk a little bit. It looks like there could be some fishies in there, so get the old curly tail out and give it a few casts. See if we can get the first smallmouth of the trip going on here. There we go. A little smallie. Not bad, not bad. Decent little guy. Oh yeah, look at him. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, we got the first smallmouth of the trip here. Not a bad little guy. Measured him on my kayak down there. He's about 12 inches. Got him on one of those little curly tails, but we're gonna go ahead and let him go for you guys. There he goes. See ya. There we go. What is that? What was that? I think that was a little smallmouth, but he got off before I got a chance to properly identify. Almost kind of had catfish colors to it.
There were times like this just to drink it.
Yeah. There we go.
Like that.
What is that? Little rock bass? Yeah. That there, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful little rock bass. I love the coloring on these guys. We're gonna go ahead and let them go here. See ya. Curly tail. There we go. Little rock bass for you guys. I'm gonna get the camera out because I've already caught one of him, but whew, that was not graceful, but there he goes. There you go. Another little rock bass. We're on them. Another rock bass. Just let him go. See ya. Hopefully, I want to catch a smallie hanging out down there. Oh, there's some activity back here. What is that? Another rock bass. What? See ya. See what's behind this little tree here. Anything of size? Oh, there we go. That's a new species. Little green sunfish. Beautiful little guy here. Not a rock bass. Let's let him go for you guys. See ya. Is there more bass over there? Or? I'm just on a school of panfish here. What is that? Another rock bass? Cool. Back at it. Yeah. The rock bass are kind of the appetizer before you get to the main attraction. Smallmouth, he's after it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. You won't. That's right, he won't. He won't eat it. There was just a smallmouth after me. From way in the back, that might... Nope, that's rock bass. Another little guy. Lost count after whatever number that was. That might be 10. Smallmouth. We're looking for smallmouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nope. Rock bass. I've just lost track of these, but there we go. Back into the stream. Got a bunch, there's just a whole school of rock bass right down here. And they'll bite whatever you put in front of them. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna move down a little bit. What is that? Some big old bird over there. Let's see if I can find smallmouth. That's our target species. There's some fish right in here too. Maybe. Deep enough. Fish on. I pointed that fish out. Nice one. Let's get a nice smallmouth on, guys. Oh yeah. Nice little smallmouth right there. Oh, that's a decent fish. So that's a pretty big fish right there. There you go. That's
inside.
Oh, I can see him here. Look at his mouth. 15 and a half.
15 and a half.
Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like I didn't catch the big fish so far, but it's a nice 15, almost 15 and a half inch smallmouth right there. Look at this guy. We're gonna get some pictures and then we're gonna let him go. There he goes. Got a big one sitting right in there. Oh yeah, there we go. There's a nicer one. that? Is that a trout? I didn't know there was trout in here. Are you sure? Well, I'll be damned. That is a rainbow trout, ladies and gentlemen.
That is a rainbow trout.
That is a rainbow trout. I don't know how he got in here.
Got it from someplace else.
Because it didn't come from here. Wow, that is... I might come over to the bank. Well, ladies and gentlemen, something very strange just happened. I just caught a rainbow trout. Now, you might not think that's such a big deal, but there's not supposed to be any rainbow trout in this stream. But yet, here we are. I'll show it to you here in a second. But that doesn't make any sense. It had to come in here from some other stream, come all the way up this stream, and just live here, because these are not supposed to be in this stream. There's nothing that they don't stock in here. I don't know how it got here, but I managed to catch it, and we're gonna go ahead and let it go and not eat it, but hopefully we'll get some trout to eat later in the trip. I'll give you guys a closer look. There you go. This looks like he's got some kind of a little parasite or something there, but I mean that's probably a 14-inch rainbow there. Maybe less, maybe 13, 12. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead, look here, and there's a rainbow trout. There is not supposed to be these in here, but for some reason, this guy decided to bite my hook. Thank you, buddy. I'll see you later. I'll let him swim off when he's ready. There he goes. Back into the deep. Alright guys, let's go ahead and keep fishing. See if we can get another one maybe? Smallmouth? I don't know. This was supposed to be a smallmouth only mission, but for some reason, rainbow trout. Alright, I'll throw you guys back over the GoPro. Yeah, I caught him on one of those bigger curly tails. It was like 8-pound test or something. It's like a little smallmouth. Ooh, that's a cool colored one. I gotta get a video of that. Oh, here, look at this guy. My grandpa just caught. He's got this kind of black tail, and looks like he might have had some injury at some point. But it's a really cool looking fish. Thought I'd show him to you. There he goes. Alright guys, we're gonna try to make it through these rapids up here. We're not going too fast, but might get shallow. Don't punch a hole and go down. I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can make it through without much consequence. We can keep out of the way of the big rocks. Okay, we're good. Kind of ran at that tree at the end. Could have avoided by taking a different line, but we all good, so. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you have made it to the end of another episode of Fish with Nick. I really hope you enjoyed all the fish I caught today. Definitely stoked about catching rainbow trout in here, because that is crazy. They are not supposed to be in here, but somehow I managed to catch one, so that's cool. Not as many smallmouth as I hoped for, but hopefully we can redeem ourselves. In the next episode, we'll be doing rainbow trout most likely. So hopefully I can get on a bunch of those and we can do a little catch, clean, cook. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.